Cleaver of Destiny? I thought it was my vintage rollerblades. Well, it's not ticking, that's a good sign. Roasted? Yeah, I can do that. I've roasted a lot of comedians before.
No, Fady. Roasting meat.
Okay, you're gonna have to help me out.
Of course.
So, Farrah, I have to do a roast then.
Roast today?
Seems I have to do a roast because
Alright.
when a knife tells you to do a roast, you do a roast. There's no way around it.
Let's go.
It's all halal, the meat here, right?
Of course.
Just to clarify for the white people watching that this is not a spice.
No,
Okay,
it's not a spice. It's not. It's the way of slaughtering the actual lamb or beef or chicken.
So what's the best thing for a roast?
Usually roast can be either beef or lamb. It just depends on what you like.
Are there any good cuts of beef for roasting?
Oh, yes, of course. There's chuck steak, there's brisket, and there's also beef ribs.
I love lamb.
You love lamb?
I've always loved lamb.
No worries. For roast lamb, you can either go for the shoulder or you can go for the lamb leg.
Okay.
Difference is lamb shoulder is a bit more fatty. Fat is marbled within the meat. Lamb leg, fat on the outside mainly. Inside is all lean.
Is it good to use like a fatty piece of meat?
For low and slow cooking, you will need a hard-working muscle. For example, the leg or the shoulder, because you're cooking it for a long time, which breaks down those muscles that are hard-working.
Oh.
If you take something tender, it's not gonna turn out as nice.
It'll
for
mush?
longer cooking. Yes.
Do you have the meat falling off the bone?
Yes, you can just literally just pull the bone out and it's just falling apart.
Like my life.
Oh, no.
Okay, great. I think I'll go for the lamb leg. I'll make some shawarma with it, but it's a bit too big. If you can cut it up
Okay.
for me, maybe like 1.5 kilos or something.
Yes,
That'd be
definitely.
great.
No problem.
I love this selection of yours. I think I might grab a few more things.
What are you interested in making?
I think something a bit more for the grill, something really quick for the kids.
If you have kids, I would go for kafta, to be honest. It's an always go-to when you have kids.
Is that amazing?
Yes.
Beautiful. But you know what I do? I mix lamb and beef together to make my kafta.
Our kafta's already lamb and beef.
You're kidding me?
Yes.
My God. What do you put in it? What spices?
Oh, I can't tell you. Our
What?
spices get specially made in Melbourne.
You have a secret guy in Melbourne? Oh, he doesn't have a visa. I get you.
Don't spill the beans.
No spill. I would love that.
No worries.
Just 10 or 20 kilos would be great.
And that's your second
Thank
bag.
you, Farrah.
And your flavor of destiny.
Thank you.
Thank you, Fady.
Here we go. I should do a Stanley Tucci. Are we rolling? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is mix some spices to make the shawarma rub. So we're gonna have a bowl to mix all the spices. This is some cumin, some cardamom, some coriander, some cayenne pepper, some smoked paprika, some salt and some pepper. Also as much olive oil as you like, really. I'm Lebanese, so, you know, probably our whole olive grove. Some garlic, and for this amount, maybe 2 cloves. You have to let out all your generational anger here, like you go, "Ugh." And then we mix all of it together. Then we'll pour this over our meat. This will be our rub. Treat this meat like a loved one, you know, massage with care, like it's had a really rough day. This is the longest relationship I've had with anyone, you know. Now we'll cover it in aluminum foil and put it in the oven at 180 degrees for a couple of hours. Okay, now we will check Farrah's kafta with her special mix. Take a few balls like this and then roll. And then we end up with this shape. This is a cigar shape, like those alien spaceships that go into volcanoes. You know, the cigar-shaped spacecraft, no? Also, while you're watching, the moon is hollow and it's just a base for aliens. That's it. I think we'll make like 6. Think of these as burger patties and just keep flipping them until it's even. This is the color we're looking for. We will move these to a plate. You can use tongs, but I don't want to wash more stuff. So after this, I'm gonna make the tarator. And don't ask me where that word comes from. My country's been invaded by 17 civilizations throughout history, so I have no idea what words come from where. So to do that, I will just add a bit of tahini. We are going to put some lemon. I'll add a bit of the garlic and water. Once you start mixing it, you'll see that it starts to coagulate. Okay, let's have a taste. Beautiful. Oh my God, this smells amazing. Oh, it's pretty good. Beautiful. This is beautiful, delicious. Thank you to Farrah, thank you to Nabil and Al Bahsa Halal Butchery, and thank you, Cleaver of Destiny. I'll see you tonight. Hey!